I have rearranged, you guys, my whole living room. I put the couches back to back like this. I like it better. Plus, we're just going to use these for the next year. I don't really care for them. And we're going to get regular upholstered couch that fits in this whole wall right here. And then over here we put Scott's office, our office, I guess. And we're going to build a custom bed here and raise it up to 23 inches up to the window. And it'll be that way long. Scott's going to build it, lift it up, so then her food bowl will fit underneath. That way she has her little corner, and then we have our office out the picture window, which I really like. And then I like the big couch. We can have lots of people over now. And then we're going to replace our TV and get like a 55, 60-inch TV. And what we're going to do is Scott's going to have it on a different kind of arm. So what we'll do, we'll just bring it out to here when we're watching and corner it. So say if we have people over, we can all sit together and we'll just be cornered right there, you know. So that is our plans. And yeah, there's so much I want to do, you guys. I do want to paint the walls. I want to redo all this wood and take it all down. And yeah, stay tuned. We got big plans to remodel this whole thing. And plus this countertop right here, you guys, we're actually going to take it and move it all the way out past this heater right here. And Scott's going to put it in a dishwasher. And that's going to be really nice. And then we'll have a space for the garbage can that nobody will see either. So I'm trying to do a clutter-free home. And it's just easier. But yeah. What are your thoughts? Once we get her bed though, custom made, it's gonna look so good right there, you guys. So I'm looking forward to that. And then I also rearranged my cabinets today, you guys. Rearranged my pots and pans. This is probably my favorite one for Scott, where he's got the lids and the pans, so it's not hard for him to get them out and in anymore. But all of my cabinets are organized. So I have this one up here. I got our top ramen, you know, and I always use clear tubs, you guys. That's my oatmeal box, so I can see how much oatmeal I have left. My potato bag is empty. I need to go get some potatoes tomorrow. My pineapple and olives, you know, for pizza night. So I try to keep, I started the clear tubs when we bought the fifth wheel, because there's my can organizer, which is great. Scott's actually going to build one custom in for this whole thing, so they're easy to take in and out on a wood shelf instead of a wire one. But for right now, until he can build it, that's working. And like, this is my cracker box, and see, you can see how much crackers you have left. So that's a really good tip, you guys, is clear bins so you can see everything. But every one of my cabinets is organized. This is our camera gear, and there's a lot of stuff we do need to go through that we need to either use or get rid of. But I have decided, living in this fifth wheel, I don't want to weigh it down. I don't want everything full. That's just games and coloring books. When we get bored, we color. And that's my special cups my friend Sheena got me. And then our projector goes in here. And got the food sealer, some more craft supplies, but not much, you guys. I just try to organize everything, and you know, see, there's a pots and pans thing. So yeah, nice and organized and clean. I even put my cleaning supplies in tubs, all organized. So my next project is organizing my bedroom up. You know, this is a big cabinet too. And as you can see, none of my cabinets are really full. None of them. Glasses, bigger cups, tumblers. And I love this for organizing, you guys. Scott screwed it down to the counter. We're gonna replace these counters anyways, and I think I would still have them screw this down. It's great. I eat my, you know, have granola in my oats. I do that every morning. We got hot cocoa right here. But the butter's right there, and the cups, you know, nothing moves right here. So this is really nice to have, you know, to organize some of your stuff and things you don't want to pack away. And this is all of our medicine and stuff like that. We actually don't take that much anymore, you guys. We're actually doing pretty good. And then just my Tupperware stuff. And my little coffee organizer. I don't want a black one though, you guys. Don't get black. It just shows everything. So like even my curtains. I need different curtains, you guys. I want to take all the blinds down. Of course, I would love to afford retractable blinds or whatever you call it, electronic blinds, you know. But I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm thinking. But I think it's definitely we need the electronic blinds in here. I don't really want a big heavy curtains all the way around my windows, you know, but I do not like the black curtains. I'm going to figure that out later, unless you guys have some ideas for me. But we put a black blanket on the couch just because of the dust here, and we need to get another one for this couch so it stays nice. Okay, guys, but that's, oh yeah, we're going to take out this fireplace too. If you know anybody that wants it, let me know. We're going to make that into another cupboard, shelves in there, and that way we can have extra storage to, like when we want to stock up at, like at Costco or at Walmart, we're going to make this whole thing a whole new cabinet. So even that drawer is going to come out. We're going to take the drawer out. We already took everything out. It's so big behind there. It's a waste of space. So I'm looking forward to when we rebuild this whole slide right here with our wood. So in the meantime, we're just going to stay there, but we got some plans, guys. So looking forward to getting this all done, and Scott still has to work on the AC. We might put another fan here just to circulate more. We got that little fan. We might put another little fan right there. But of course we want to do the carpet and the floors, guys, but all in due time. Can't do it all at once, but just wanted to show you my organization. And oh yeah, and if you haven't seen my spice center, now I don't like these ones right here, so I'm gonna put this outside in the outside kitchen. These shelves will go because I need them, because things just, when you move, there's too much room right here, so I need to get something a little tighter. Yeah. Any recommendations? Let me know for that too. But yeah, you know, we got everything. Oh yeah, here's this drawer too, you guys see? Oh, I love these bins, these clear bins. Yeah, and these are the ones that I had already had, you know. So, but yeah, so I never organized like this ever before. I got my coffee. Sorry guys, I dropped the phone. Okay, I got my coffee, my stuff, my towels, kitchen towels, that's empty right now, so I got all that space. Yeah, you guys already seen in there. That's just where my brush goes, straw cleaners, my silverware is all organized. Let's see here, this drawer is all organized. I tell you what, when your house is organized, it makes you feel so good. And I've already got so much stuff for a yard sale. So now my next thing is my bathroom, you guys, and my bedroom. So we'll be ready to take off hopefully by March, and we're gonna do some fun stuff after all this work. So Scott's got to work really hard on his solar, you guys, and get that all done, and just get all of our projects finished, and we're getting there. So I'm just glad that we figured out how to rearrange this furniture. And when you buy a new rig, it's good just to live in it for a while before you buy anything. I wish I would have waited even longer, but it's okay. So then you realize what you want. Like Scott's already rearranging things outside. I mean, I think you constantly are rearranging when you're in an RV. You just realize that, oh, this works better here. But anyhow, I hope that helps you guys. The next will be my bedroom and the bathroom. Stay tuned. Bye now.